Today, we're putting two of Michelin's heavyweights in the spotlight, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2. Designed for enthusiasts who demand peak performance both on the streets and the racetrack, these tires offer unique advantages. Let's dive into the details and see which tire comes out on top. Introducing our first contender, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Launched in 2017, this tire is revered among drivers seeking exceptional performance in both dry and wet conditions. Its rival, the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2, launched in 2013, is a semi-slick marvel designed primarily for the track, offering unparalleled dry traction while remaining street legal. Let's explore how they stack up against each other. In the realm of dry performance, both tires showcase the pinnacle of Michelin's engineering. The Pilot Sport Cup 2 takes the lead with superior braking and handling, a direct result of its focus on dry grip optimization. It boasts a design that emphasizes large outer shoulder blocks for precise steering and formidable grip, declaring it the victor in dry conditions. The tables turn under wet conditions, where the Pilot Sport 4S steals the spotlight. It dramatically outperforms the Cup 2 in wet braking, handling, and aquaplaning resistance. This exceptional performance underlines the 4SE's versatility, making it the tire of choice for those who encounter diverse weather conditions. When it comes to noise, both tires hit the same note, each scoring 73 dB in exterior noise tests. This outcome might surprise those who'd expect the more track-focused Cup 2 to be noisier. However, Michelin's technology ensures both tires maintain a balanced noise level, providing a comfortable ride in either choice. On the topic of rolling resistance, the Pilot Sport 4S demonstrates a slight advantage. This means it's slightly more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly, without sacrificing performance. The Pilot Sport 4S is adept at balancing efficiency with performance, making it an excellent choice for the eco-conscious driver. Choosing between the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 and the Pilot Sport 4S boils down to your driving needs and conditions. If you're chasing the thrill of the track with an eye on dry performance, the Cup 2 is unbeatable. However, if you're looking for a tire that excels in more varied conditions, offering outstanding wet performance and efficiency, the Pilot Sport 4S stands out as the more versatile contender. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.